iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2, is not only updated and is overgrown with new details, it multiplies. Until March 2020, in the canonical version, the existence of the iPhone 9 Plus, by analogy with its actual predecessor, the iPhone 8 Plus, was not something that was flatly denied. But nevertheless, as a rule, it was considered extremely unlikely. Then, in the depths of two electronic media that fell into the hands of just one copy of the undeclared, non-existent, iOS 14, mention was made of the iPhone 9 Plus. We decided that there would be two. There is no consensus on the screen size of the iPhone 9 Plus. Most believe it will be a 5.5-inch iPhone. The rest, which are also many, that 9 will be 6.1 inch. In the plist files in which the iPhone 9 Plus was most likely found, there is no information about the screen size. This iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus should be almost identical. In the prophecies of Min Chico, both versions were mentioned back in 2019. The 4.7-inch model was supposed to appear in the first quarter of 2020, and the 5.5-inch or 6.1-inch model was supposed to appear in the first quarter of 2021. Due to force majeure circumstances, which can now be blamed on anything, in the first quarter of 2020, iPhone 9 did not work. Is it correct to explain the appearance of the iPhone 9 Plus simultaneously with the iPhone 9, but in the second quarter of 2020? Tell us what you think about it in our Telegram chat. Alas, the official release of iOS 14 will be released in the fall. Even if not in September, as usual, then in October or November. And until the fall of 2021, iOS 14 will be the current version of iOS.